Good evening, everybody. I am Ramakrishna Duvu. My channel is RK Creations. Through this channel, I am giving financial lessons for the beginners in stock market who have entered into the stock market and want to trade and want to earn some money. So they need some basics. अभी ये चैनल का द्वारा माध्यम से मैं बेसिक्स आप लोग को बताऊंगा. Today's my topic is candlestick pattern. As a doctor will see the reports of the patient, X-ray, scanning and other test reports for assessing the condition of the patient and his disease. An engineer will see the drawings. Like that, we, the financial people who are in the stock market and in daily trading, we have to see the graphs, and particularly candlestick pattern. Candlestick graph is one of the very useful and effective tool for us. So, entire world, many people will use these candles graphs. In India, we follow red and green. Green is for bullish, red is for bearish. Whereas in other countries, they follow different colors, black and white, blue and red, like that. And these candles, we can form 1 minute candle, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, even 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. So, depending upon our analysis, we can plot these candles. Okay. So, means 1 minute candle means that 1 minute what happened in that particular stock or particular index or in the market. What is happening? So, generally in the market, bulls and bears, you are aware of it. So, bulls means those who want to buy, buyers, and bears means sellers. There is always a war between buyers and sellers, a battle. So, daily युद्ध होता है और हर मिनट होता है. So, this candle is purely represents who won the battle, how the battle is done in particular minute or particular 5 minutes or particular day. So we can easily find. Before going to the lessons, I remind you, please subscribe my channel. If you want this type of videos and learnings, please click the bell for the reminders. Whenever I release video, you will get a reminder. Weekly one video I am going to release. अभी ये पिक्चर दिखा रहा है. दिस इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ द कैंडल्स. ये ग्रीन कैंडल है. ये ग्रीन कैंडल का ये बीच में जो दिखा रहा है ये है बॉडी, एंड ये ऊपर में दिख रहा है ये विक और शैडो. ये नीचे में भी विक और शैडो. ओके, दिस इज ये बुलिश कैंडल और ग्रीन कैंडल. Similarly, this is a bearish candle, red candle. This center part is body. ऊपर में जो दिख रहा है वो upper wick और upper shadow और lower wick और lower shadow. ये इसका configuration क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है, इसका meaning क्या है. ये candle green candle है. ये particular if it is a 1 day candle, that day the particular stock or particular market or particular index has opened here. ये पॉइंट में ओपन हो गया ओपन होने के बाद नीचे यहाँ तक गया, ओके, लो टच किया, लो टच करने के बाद ऊपर गया 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 गया, यहाँ तक गया, यहाँ तक गया, यहाँ तक हाई गया, ये हाई जाके इधर से फिर नीचे आके इधर क्लोज हुआ। मीन्स ये कैंडल का मतलब है ये ओपनिंग पॉइंट एक क्लोजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर डे। ये डे में हाई इधर टच किया, लो टच किया। इफ इट इज a 1 minute candle, that particular minute it opened here, it closed here, it touched this high, this low. If it is 5 minutes, that 5 minutes what happened is this opened here, closed. Similar meaning is same, but if it is 5 minutes we have to read in the 5 minutes way how what happened. If it is 1 month, that 1 month what happened. If it is 1 day, 1 day what happened. 1 week, 1 week, like that we have to see this. And similarly red candle, it is bearish candle. It opened here, it went up to here, high touch किया, फिर आ गया नीचे 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 ने यहाँ तक लोएस्ट गया, फिर थोड़ा बुल्स पुश करके यहाँ तक पुश किया, यहाँ तक आके क्लोज हुआ। दिस इज क्लोजिंग पॉइंट। दिस इज फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ द कैंडल फॉर एनी कैंडल। ओके, ये particular candles, different candles are there. Okay, this already we have seen bullish candle, means इतना बॉडी है, यहाँ से ओपन हो गया, यहाँ तक गया तो थोड़ा बेर्स लेके गया, बट फिर बुल्स यहाँ पुश करके यहाँ तक लेके आ गया, means a particular bullish candle. If it is this candle is there, market is bullish, this particular stock is bullish, so we can see the buyers are dominant in this particular moment or particular period, whereas this is bearish candle, means bears are dominated. The battle won by bears, battle won by sellers. So open इधर हो गया, यहाँ तक गया, फिर यहाँ क्लोज हो गया, थोड़ा हाई इधर टच किया, बट ज़्यादा दिखा नहीं, टिका नहीं, नीचे आ गया, ठीक है। दिस इज bearish candle. And similarly this type of particular candle, it opened here, यहाँ तक गया, बेर से यहाँ तक लेके आ गया, सो मीन्स यहाँ तक रेड हो गया फर्स्ट इनिशियली, बट यहाँ आने के बाद ये बुल्स आके इसको पुश करके यहाँ तक लेके आ गया, बट यहाँ से भी अंदर घुसा के यहाँ तक लेके चला गया। फिर बेर्स आके थोड़ा कोशिश किया, बट इधर आके रुक गया, थक गए उन लोग, बेर्स थक गया। मीन्स फाइनली ये बैटल इधर कौन जीत गया? ये बुल्स जीत गया। मीन्स ये बैटल हुआ इधर, तो बैटल ये पर्टिकुलर कैंडल में बैटल इतना स्ट्रांग नहीं है, वन साइडेड वार है, बट इधर वार दोनों साइड हुआ, बट फाइनल विक्ट्री बुल्स को हुआ। सिमिलर वे ये पर्टिकुलर कैंडल में इधर ओपन हो गया, बुल्स यहाँ तक लेके गया, बट बेर्स बहुत स्ट्रांग हो गया, पुश किया नीचे किया, यहाँ से और नीचे घुसा गया यहाँ तक गया, फिर बुल्स थोड़ा कोशिश किया, यहाँ तक आ गया, बट ये बेर्स को बुल्स जीत नहीं पाया, फाइनली इधर क्लोज हो गया। मीन्स ये बैटल वन बाय बेयर्स। सो ये पर्टिकुलर कैंडल में देखा तो बेयर डोमिनेशन, वी कैन फाइंड मार्केट इज बेरिश, स्टिल बेरिश, बुल्स का ताकत नहीं है, बेयर्स का ताकत ज़्यादा है। सो वी हैव टू अवे फ्रॉम द मार्केट, बाइंग में नहीं जाना है, थोड़ा बैटल स्टेप इक्वल होना है और बुल्स डोमिनेंट होना है। बुल्स डोमिनेंट होने के बाद ही मार्केट में हम लोग एंटर हो पाएगा, खरीदने के लिए, बेचने के लिए जा सकते हैं, इधर सेल कर सकता है तो कर सकता है, ठीक है। ये एक पर्टिकुलर कैंडल है डोजी मीन्स इधर हो गया, ओपन हो गया, नीचे गया, टच किया, फिर ऊपर गया, ये हाई टच किया, फिर आके नीचे इधर क्लोज। मीन्स ये बैटल कौन जीत गया? ड्रॉ हो गया, बेयर्स एंड बुल्स आर इक्वल हो गया, इक्वली पावरफुल, इक्वली fought, so it is not decided. So something is happening here. Once doji formed, we have to cautiously watch it. Okay, equilibrium condition. Okay, this is a long-legged doji. Long means same doji, बट यहाँ तक लेके आ गया बेयर्स, बट बुल्स यहाँ तक लेके आ गया, फाइनली इधर आ गया, फाइनली इट क्लोज almost starting point. Okay, this is dragonfly doji. These are different name configuration है, name है. Okay, geometry different है, name is different. Means इधर open हो गया, one sided गया, मैं डाउन हो गया, फिर यहाँ से आके बुल्स यहाँ तक लेके आ गया, फाइनली हाँ शुरू हुआ वहाँ से वहाँ एंड हो गया. मीन्स बाउंड्री में ये बाउंड्री वार हो गया. ओके, ड्रैगन फ्लाई दिस इज ऑल्सो बाउंड्री बट इट इज रिवर्स ग्रेव स्टोन डोजी. ओके, सो इसका डोजी कहाँ यूज करना है, कहाँ कैसा यूज करना है मैं बताएगा. ओके, पर्टिकुलरली मार्केट डाउन कंटिन्यूस डाउन हो रहा है, डाउन हो गया. ये डाउन होने के बाद कंटिन्यूस रेड कैंडल्स का बाद ये दिस इज द डे कैंडल्स ऑफ द एशियन पेंट्स. ओके, ये होने के बाद ये डोजी आ गया. डोजी आ गया मीन्स यहाँ तक बेयर्स डोमिनेट. थोड़ा बुल्स कोशिश किया बट नहीं हुआ, इधर भी बेयर्स डोमिनेट हो गया. इसका बाद एक डोजी आ गया मीन्स बेयर्स थक गया, यहाँ तक वो जीत के आके ये कॉम्प्लेसेंट हो गया. मीन्स बुल्स को ताकत आ गया, बुल्स भी पावर होना आ गया, पावर दिखाना चालू कर दिया. मीन्स दिस इज अ टर्निंग पॉइंट दिस डोजी. आफ्टर डोजी देखिए ग्रीन, तो इधर भी डोजी है बट ग्रीन. मार्केट कहाँ से आ गया, वहाँ से पार होके आगे चला गया. मीन्स स्टॉक यहाँ से गिर गया बट वहाँ से वहाँ पहुँच गया, क्रॉस हो गया. दिस डोजी कम्स आफ्टर द ट्रेंड, after continuous downtrend doji form. It is an indication next day onwards market will go up. Okay? This particular stock will go up, not market, this particular stock. Like that reverse. So G continuously it gone up. Okay, so this is also a doji, small body we can say it is a doji only. Okay, this doji formed here and started reversing next day onwards. Okay. Once it is top, but in between dojis there is no meaning. Okay, in between dojis there is no meaning of it. But once it is at the top, doji is there. Next day if you found any red candle, okay, you can sell off or you book the profit and sit. Okay, again you can enter at the lower side. Okay, this is also doji type form and it went up. Okay, here after green doji it came down. Okay, next candle is long lower shadow. Okay, body is there but lower shadow ज़्यादा है, or long upper shadow. A color is not the matter here. Okay, here a hammerhead is ऊपर, बॉडी ऊपर है पूरा, विक इज एट द बॉटम, जस्ट रिवर्स. बॉडी नीचे है और ऊपर विक. इट इज अ शूटिंग स्टार और रिवर्स हैमर. दिस कलर इज नॉट ए मैटर, ग्रीन रेड ग्रीन भी हो सकता है. ओके, स्पिनिंग टॉप मीन्स इट इज ए दोनों साइड लॉन्ग विक है, बॉडी छोटा बॉडी है, लाइक डोजी ओनली. ओके, yes, wherever spinning top comes at the top or bottom instead of doji, we can treat this also as a doji. Okay, so I will show you what is the use of this hammerhead and long lower shadow. We can similarly treat these candles. After continuous downfall for a week or for 10 days or 15 days, once at the bottom if you see the hammerhead, means trend is going to reverse. Okay, and this hammerhead trend is very strong, even stronger than doji. Okay, stronger than doji. So once hammer comes at the after the lowering, okay, continuous downfall, if you found any hammerhead, बिंदास आप इन्वेस्ट करके नेक्स्ट डे बैठिए, it will go. Okay, it is immaterial, red or green, it is not a matter. Hammerhead is hammerhead. If it is shooting star, after continuous bullish run, if you found any spinning shooting star or reverse hammer, it indicates next day onwards it is going to fall. Okay, and this candle is, there is no or wick, there is no wick or maybe small wick. Okay, it is negligible wick. ये इसको बोलते हैं मरबोजू बुलिश कैंडल. ए मरबोजू बेरिश कैंडल मीन्स war, single one-sided war. Bulls started buying, no bears at all. Okay, here selling, no bulls at all. Okay, so these candles we can say trend continuation. If any uptrend continuation, if Marubozu candle, bullish candle comes, means this stock further it will go. There is no doubt we can invest further. Need not book profit. You can sit, relax, put some more money in that stock and wait. Okay, like that. If it is bearish, this Marubozu bearish. If it is falling, if you are in short position, you wait. Don't square it. Wait. Further it will go down. Okay, it is indication of trend continuation. It is a strongness in trend continuation. Okay, this candle, small body of a red candle, and the next day or next period a bigger green candle which covers the entire body of the previous candle. If it is red, it should be green. Okay, this is bullish engulfing, means a total body को total cover कर दे. Wick ignore. Okay, maybe this wick is more, ignore. Okay, this body entirely covered by next bullish green candle, means it is bullish engulfing, means trend is going after continuous downfall. This pattern has formed, means next day onwards it is going up, next minute onwards it is going up. Okay, next candle onwards it is going up. Like that, if it is a bearish engulfing, green candle with small body, next day or next minute or next 5 minutes, next 15 minutes, whatever it is candle time duration, if red candle of this body covered previous candle's body, it is bearish engulfing. This generally occurs after continuous bullish run. This pattern occurs, it indicates downfall has started. You see, okay, this pattern, this is Reliance Industries, okay, in the month of June, July in between. Okay, this bullish engulfing, it went up to here. Okay, like this. This is bearish engulfing. G Entertainment again. This bearish engulfing, it has started falling. See? Next is dark cloud candle. Dark cloud. This also occurs after the continuous bullish run. This green candle, I have not drawn here wicks. Okay, this bullish candle is there. Next period, it has started gap up, but fallen, and closed below 50% of this green candle. It's supposed to close below 50%. Okay, means it indicates next day or next minute onwards it is starting bearish. Generally, this type of candles, day candles, we'll see. Around 3 o'clock, if you see this candle is already forming, means next day onwards it is going to fall. So we can say STBT, sell today, buy tomorrow. Like that trades we can do it. Okay. And one condition is there, when this candle is formed, here it should be volume, also more volume should be there. Okay. And the piercing candle pattern, just reverse to the dark cloud. So after falling, this red candle is there. It has opened, gap down, but it went up, closed above 50% of this candle. If it is goes above, it is a engulfing. Just below 100% it closed, but still it is a bullish change. So this continuous bearish downtrend has converted into bullish. So you can start putting money in this particular stock where this pattern has formed. So इसको piercing candle pattern बोलते हैं. So there is a combination of patterns. Evening star pattern. Evening star means some green was one long green candle. Okay. Next candle is doji or almost with a very light body, small body. This doji had formed, and after doji, if started gap down opening, it will fall. This third candle you can do trade. Okay, once a gap down opened, you can simply sell it off and sit relax to buy catch hold of at the lower price. Okay, this is evening star pattern. This will come in between also. Okay, once this pattern comes, definitely it will honor. You can do sell here. Okay, like this Bharti Airtel. You see this green candle, and this is a day candle, means this day is green, next day is doji, third day red, it has opened, it closed here, and continuous, it has continued this pattern. Of here also, it's see reverse. Okay, reverse I will show. This is morning star pattern. Morning star means it is a red candle, long candle, red candle. Next day or next period is doji. Means third day or third candle, if it opens gap up, then you can invest here. You can enter into the trade, buy here, sit relax, and it will go up. You can earn money from here. Okay. This is morning star pattern. One example I will show you. You see, this is Britannia Industries. This red candle is there, and doji. That too doji. It is dragonfly. Okay. Means long bottom wick, and next day you see green up to here. Here also you see one more pattern. This red candle is there, doji, next day green candle. If you do trailing stop loss, okay, it will go, let it go. You trail the stop loss and go up, and you can earn good money. Okay. So with this, the basics of the candles I have explained to all of you, and in the coming lessons I will going to bring you the combination of the candles and other indicators one by one to trade successfully in the stock market, particularly intraday and positional. So please subscribe my channel RK Creations and click bell symbol for reminders of you for any good next video releases. It will remind you. Thank you very much. Signing off, Ramakrishna Duvu.